Good afternoon, Shubho Dupur, Shobbaike. I'm Shirupa from City of Joy. I have finished my lunch. আমি আমার লাঞ্চ করে নিয়েছি. Now I am having pan. My favorite pan is tutti frutti, which adds an excellent texture when we bite it. There are many ingredients such as cherry, clove, saffron. Varieties of pan is there. Chocolate pan, laddu pan, and most recent is viral fire pan. I have tried it. আপনারা কি কোনোদিন করেছেন ভাইরাল ফায়ার পান ট্রাই করে দেখুন আর আমাকে জানান কেমন লাগে I love pan, especially sweet pan. It is a street food available in India. We mostly having it after meals. Chalo, bye for now and enjoy.